loves, welcome back to the channel. Your girl Sweet Angel here.
What's up, beautiful babes? Your girl Sweet Angel. What's up, beautiful babes? Your girl Sweet Angel.
Sometimes it burns, sometimes it hurts when you say my name, but thinking of hers.
All right, y'all, in my closet, as you can see, I got a bunch of hangers. These are hangers that I have emptied out some of the things, and it's a tiny closet. It's a walk-in, but it's small. I have lots of things that I've already taken off the hangers that I'm getting ready to put inside this bag here. I probably can find a few more items, I think, if I look close enough, because I know I have stuff that I'm going to go through right now. I wish I could film it, but because the pack is so small in here, I just can't maneuver the camera in that direction. So let me get that picked up and see what I got. All right, y'all, it is Saturday, February the 8th, 2020, baby, and my husband just cooked lunch, and it is something special today. This is shrimp Alfredo, and your girl getting ready to eat.
To Beauty by Sweet Angel. That's where you'll find all of the home remedies, me trying out wonderful and great new products that came in so I can try it before you buy it. You know your girl got you covered, so check out Beauty by Sweet Angel as well. That's what I'm talking about. I was going through some old videos, and guess who popped up? Y'all had been wondering, how long has Maddie been singing? Well, a long time. This video is from 2011, okay? So now you know she has been just a superstar since day one. She's actually singing an original song that we wrote for her called From My Eyes, and it was a story about, related to the actual death of my niece, who was sick for some time, and she was just singing along with the little track there. But she was so cute. I love this. Just backtracking a little bit, y'all. That's it.
All right, got some packages here, and looks like I have some damaged. Great. Mike is gonna see what's going on with it. I don't even know who it's from. It came from, well, he picked it up at the post office here. Let's see what I have.
Yeah, that won't be tough on this Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's. What is it? Let's see what it is. Oh my God. I'm trying to see which one may be leaking. What's that one? Maybe coming out of there.
This one's cool.
All right, what's that one? The one that looked like it's got some liquid.
I think this one is cool. This one is good.
Okay.
It's coming from
That one?
yep.
Oh, okay.
That one. This looks like it was damaged before it left wherever they shipped it from.
That was, yeah, open or something. Those little tops come loose.
Yeah, that's
I'm just gonna
over
sit
there.
them all up so that if it's still leaking, maybe it'll stop leaking. Oh no, the pomegranate seed oil came busted. That's one I really wanted. I hope I got another one in there. So that is it. I'm gonna go ahead and trash that now because it is broken glass.
Okay, beautiful babes, moving on. Listen, a couple of videos ago, I did my Valentine lingerie try on, and the items that I tried on were from Amazon. So why don't you go check it out and see what see what you think about it. It's maybe, like I said, a couple of videos prior to this one for Valentine's Day, and yeah, yeah, let me know. All right.
All right, right now I am packaging up my giveaway packets. I'm slouched out on the couch getting this work done, honey. Yes. Well, we're about to partake in some tacos, and it's not even Tuesday, okay? We got some Sargento 4-cheese Mexican. We got our Taco Bell original taco seasoning mix. We have our Ortega taco sauce, original thick and smooth. Got some sour cream, and we have some shredded lettuce that we don't even have to do no work with. Just put it on the taco shell. We have our Great Value tacos. Look what they have. Diced tomatoes. She didn't want any. They also put corn in theirs. How about that? And they have some green peppers cut up or something. I guess that's what that is. Or is that scallions? I'm not sure. Here's their taco. Sour cream. Oh, we're ready. And most importantly, the ground beef is sizzling and almost ready to go ahead and strain. Yeah! Bye, y'all. Get ready to eat. Ooh, I just put my finger in my sour cream. Oh my goodness. Well, it's time to eat, y'all. Yay.
Oh, I have to bleach this hair. Here we go.
All I want to is to be close to you, but I don't know how and what to do. I'm so shy when it comes to you, but I guess you're curious, huh? So let me show you what I can